I saw prominent beauty photographer Lindsay Adler do an image like this. She basically got 3 pieces of mirrors.
3 pieces of mirror, okay?
And created a pyramid like this, and she shot through this mirror. In the comments below, tell me, who is your favorite photographer? Of course, apart from you. The image created beautiful reflections. This was creativity done in camera. I went and took this idea and modeled it. In order to make this particular piece different, I got a stylist and asked him to do some styling on this particular lady, because I did not want this image to look as plain as what I had seen before. In this particular setup, I used what we call clamshell lighting, where I had the key light slightly above the forehead, actually 90 degrees over the model I was shooting. Then I put a reflector or an highlighter below the model to get a catch light in her eyes, and that is the light setup I used. For the camera, I used a Nikon 850D with a 70-200mm lens, of course the f2.8, to create these gorgeous images. Being a person who loves vibrant imagery, of course I had to be vibrant in terms of color and setup. After shooting, I went and applied the retouching secrets techniques to hype its outlook and appearance. It was an average image out of camera, but after using the retouching secrets on it, the quality was skyrocketed. This one skill retouching helped me to give the image a different vibrant feel. If you want to turn an average image into a stunning masterpiece, no matter what camera you're using, retouching is one skill you ought to master. I have helped hundreds of photographers online and offline take their photography to the next level with this one skill. If you want to take your photography to the next level, get the Retouching Secrets Masterclass. Click the link and get started now.